Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about high-performance cameras, cinematic video quality, and cutting-edge autofocus technology, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into one of the most anticipated tech releases of the year, the upcoming Sony A7V. The photography and videography community is buzzing with excitement as the release date draws nearer, and the question on everyone's mind is, are we finally getting it soon? The rumors and leaks surrounding the Sony A7V have reached a fever pitch. From groundbreaking internal hardware to pro-level features designed for content creators, this camera is shaping up to be a potential game-changer for both professionals and enthusiasts. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll explore the leaked specs, anticipated improvements, expected launch timeline, and how it stacks up against its closest competition in the mirrorless camera market. A legacy of innovation, the Sony Alpha series. Sony's Alpha lineup has built a solid reputation over the years, particularly with models like the A7 III and A7 IV, which have been go-to choices for hybrid shooters who demand excellence in both still photography and video. These cameras are known for their outstanding image quality, versatile performance, and robust build, earning the trust of everyone from travel vloggers to wedding cinematographers. But with the Sony A7V, it seems Sony is aiming even higher, pushing boundaries to deliver features that redefine what a mid-range full-frame mirrorless camera can do. Sensor overhaul. Rumored 33MP stacked CMOS sensor at the core of the Sony A7V. Industry insiders predict a 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, a major leap forward from traditional backside illuminated sensors. The stacked design would allow dramatically faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and superior dynamic range. This means better performance in low-light environments, enhanced detail retention in highlights and shadows, and quicker image processing for action-packed shooting situations, with landscape photographers seeking maximum detail and low light. Shooters needing clarity in the shadows, this sensor could bridge the gap and satisfy both camps. Autofocus powered by AI. Sony's intelligent subject tracking. One of the standout features rumored for the Sony A7V is an advanced AI-powered autofocus system, likely an upgraded version of the real-time tracking and IAF seen in the A7 IV and A7RV. This system might not only recognize human eyes and faces with even greater accuracy, but also track animals, vehicles, and dynamic subjects with improved precision. For creators shooting fast-paced events, wildlife, or sports, this smart autofocus could mean more keepers and fewer missed shots. And for solo creators, think vloggers, YouTubers, and streamers, it could be the difference between a sharp, professional-looking video and one that misses focus at the worst moment. Video upgrades, cinematic tools and a compact body. Video shooters rejoice, because the Sony A7V is expected to deliver some blockbuster-level video specs. Among the most exciting rumors, 4K at 120 frames per second for silky smooth slow-motion 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for rich color grading options, Cinetone and S-Log3 support for cinematic looks right out of the camera, improved heat dissipation, and longer recording times, enhanced video stabilization with Sony's active steady shot mode. All of these upgrades suggest that the A7V could become a go-to tool for filmmakers and content creators looking to capture cinema-quality video in a portable form factor. Redesigned viewfinder and display. Crystal clear framing. A frequently discussed enhancement is the electronic viewfinder. While we haven't seen the body yet, the EVF in the A7V may borrow from the high-resolution 9.44 m panel in the A7RV. Add to that a refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, and you're looking at one of the most fluid and realistic shooting experiences ever in a mirrorless camera. This makes a massive difference for fast-moving subjects, giving photographers and filmmakers a real-time preview with minimal lag, perfect for capturing moments that demand precision and speed. Improved in-body image stabilization. Photographers who often shoot handheld in low light or with longer lenses will appreciate the expected 8 stops of stabilization in the new A7V. That's a noticeable jump from the 5.5 stops in the A7 IV, and if true, it positions the A7V as a serious rival to models like the Canon R6 II and Nikon Z6 III. With such stabilization, nighttime cityscapes, handheld portraits, or walking vlogs could appear cleaner and more professional, even without the aid of a tripod or gimbal. Enhanced usability and durability. While Sony's Alpha bodies are already known for their compact, ergonomic form factors, the A7V might take things further with minor body redesigns for improved grip, weather sealing, and durability. This would be particularly useful for content creators who shoot in harsh conditions or travel frequently. We may also see button layout optimizations and menu interface improvements that streamline user experience, a welcome upgrade for those transitioning from older models or other brands. Creator-focused features, vlog-friendly and mobile-ready. The A7V is not just about power, it's also about smart tools for creative workflows. Among the anticipated features, dedicated vlogging modes with flat color profiles like Scene A2 or S-Log for easier grading, focus peaking and zebra stripes to assist manual shooters, touchscreen interface with improved responsiveness, remote camera control. Via mobile apps, enhanced live streaming support for creators who want to connect their A7V directly to platforms like YouTube or Twitch. Whether you're a travel vlogger filming on the go or a commercial filmmaker looking for your next B-cam, the Sony A7V could be one of the most versatile hybrid cameras on the market. Connectivity and workflow, built for speed in 2025, fast media transfer and seamless wireless communication are non-negotiable for professionals. The A7V is rumored to include Wi-Fi 6E support, a faster USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, and improved Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. This allows for faster tethering, smoother remote control, and more reliable transfers between camera and mobile or desktop platforms. Add in dual CF Express Type A/SD UHS-2 card slots, and you're looking at a camera that's ready to handle 4K 120 footage, burst raw images, and high-volume workflows without breaking a sweat. Unknowns and launch date speculation. As with any pre-launch discussion, a few mysteries remain. One of the biggest is burst rate performance. While the A7 IV offered up to 10 frames per second with mechanical shutter, there's speculation the A7V may push this closer to 15 or even 20 frames per second, especially with an electronic shutter and stacked sensor. Another wildcard is software-powered AI tools such as auto-composition, in-camera raw HDR merging, and subject isolation tools for background blurring without lenses that offer wide apertures. These would represent a fusion of computational photography with traditional imaging. Pricing and availability. Based on Sony's previous pricing patterns, the A7V is expected to launch between $2,500 and $2,800, mirroring the original A7 IV's entry point. However, initial availability could be tight. With global demand and potential shipping delays, this camera may be hard to find in stock post-launch, particularly for early adopters and resellers. Final thoughts. To wrap it all up, if you're currently using an older Sony model like the A7 III or even the A7 IV, the rumored upgrades in the A7V could absolutely justify the jump. From AI-powered focus, cinema-grade video tools, and high-speed connectivity, to next-gen image stabilization and a potentially revolutionary sensor, the A7V is shaping up to be a creative powerhouse.